Good day everyone, here I am again for my third time educational blog as part of the subject Introduction to Information and Communication Technology ICT Specialization 2. This is my third reaction in the video lesson about Adobe Flash CS3 Professional Beginner Mode. I learned that Adobe Flash CS3 is design software which improves the performance of graphics and web content. When we say Adobe Flash CS3, it is used to create interactive content for websites as well as enrich games, whether they are destined for PC or personal computer, mobile phones, or portable devices. The application will help me to create my own Flash projects such as animations, presentations, or questionnaires. Besides that, it will enable me to add high quality to touch my websites and incorporate elements like interactive menus. This software, the Adobe Flash CS3 Professional, is introduced by my teacher. It's part of Adobe Creative Suite, a package which includes different tools focused on web content. For that reason, I can integrate any application of this family into my Flash project. Then Adobe has taken down all installers of older versions of their software. So I'm here to back them up and keep them available for those who may need to install and use them. This is not intended as a piracy. Only installers are provided. By opening the desktop from the Flash welcome screen. After launching Flash, you will see a welcome screen. This screen offers a few options for creating a Flash file. To start working with a Flash file, you may either use the file menu or select an item within the welcome screen, e.g. use File, Open to open a file you are working on. Then open a recent item either through the file menu or the bottom. Create a new Flash file. If you tick Don't Show Again, you won't see the welcome screen anymore. But some options are available through the file menu. Then, if you want it back, edit and go to Preferences. To start learning the Flash desktop, I suggest to click on Flash File Action Script 3.0 since this is the most recent Flash standard. That's all for today, everyone. Have a nice day, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be able to be updated in all the videos I upload in my YouTuBERT channel. Bye bye.